Hi, I'm Sarah Sensimig. Today we're going to explore cleaning options to determine the best way to sanitize your countertops. The three products we'll be testing are vinegar with peroxide, an all-purpose cleaner, and the Norwex antibacterial Enviro cloth. First, I'm going to rub raw chicken on the plate here. Then I'm going to take this test strip that is a very sensitive protein test strip used by the food industry to measure surface cleanliness. If there is protein here, it will turn purple, and if it stays green, then it means there's no contamination. We'll let that sit there, and then we'll try the cleaner here, the vinegar and peroxide. Wipe that off and test it after we cleaned it. You can see this one's already turning purple. Next, I'll put chicken on this plate, and we'll test this one with the all-purpose cleaner. Swap this. And last, we're going to rub chicken on this plate and use the Norwex antibacterial Enviro cloth. It's just wet with water. You just wipe it. And after this, we'll come back in a few minutes, and you should be able to see on the strips as they take time to show the results. Now we're going back to see the results here. This first one was the one we used before any cleaning. You can see it's purple. This one was with the vinegar and peroxide. This next one was with the all-purpose cleaner. It is also dark. And then the last one is with the Norwex antibacterial Enviro cloth, and that one's still green, which means that there are no contaminants in this. So these are great results.